G'day guys, welcome back to another project update on our Newport renovation. This job is going to look amazing when it's finished. Now that we've got all these big doors in, we've opened up the back of the house. The tiler's been on site over the past 2 weeks, getting all the tiling done in the bathrooms. The tiles we have in this job from Up Tiles are absolutely beautiful. They're going to suit the home really, really well. Got the guys currently still on site from Northern Suburbs Flooring. They're doing an incredible job allaying this beautiful black butt flooring. As you can see behind me, we've had our internal stairs go in. The stairs are exactly what the client envisaged right from the beginning. You can now rock up to the front door of this home, see straight through the open stairs, straight out through these beautiful big bifold doors we put at the back and into the canals. We've also got the guys turning up today from Chase Wilson with the first lot of joinery. So over the next week, they're going to put in this enormous kitchen, all the vanities, the mudroom, the media room, and all the joinery into this home. So in the coming weeks, we can get the painter on site and start doing all the internal painting. Now that the bricky is finished on the outside, we're just waiting on the renderer to show up, which with all this wet weather we're having at the moment is giving us a lot of dramas. So hopefully the wet weather goes away enough over the next couple of weeks that we can get the rendering finished so that the painter can paint the outside of this beautiful home.